Hello everyone, it's Sid from Hello Tokyo Tours and welcome to another episode of our Crash Course Japan series. In today's episode, I want to show you guys what they have in a Japanese McDonald's. Now, around the world they have a lot of different things on their menu at McDonald's, and Japan is no exception. They have lots of different cool stuff, and right now I have 5 completely different items that you can find in Japan, plus fries, because I like french fries. So without further ado, let me show you guys the 5 things that I got in a Japanese McDonald's. So the first item I'm going to show you guys is the shrimp burger, the shrimp filet-o, as they call it in Japan. It's basically a shrimp burger, fried shrimp on top, or inside. You can see the shrimp inside the burger. So inside the burger, it's really good, by the way. The fried shrimp patty, lettuce, and their special sauce that they have in like the Big Mac. It's really simple and it's really small. The shrimp patty is very crunchy. It's really popular with the ladies in Japan because it's not too heavy and it's not too big. So in my opinion, I think the McDonald's in Japan, their lettuce is a lot better than the one in America. The lettuce is just crispier and crunchier. I don't know why. American vegetables just aren't as good, in my opinion, compared to Japan. The bun, I don't really see a difference in the bun, really. So good. Alright, for our next burger, I got the teriyaki chicken filet-o, as they say in Japan, filet-o. It's basically a fried teriyaki chicken burger. I've actually never tried this one before, but it looks delicious and it smells really good. So it's really good. First time trying it ever. The mayonnaise is very sweet and it complements the teriyaki sauce very well. The chicken's not crispy, it's like a patty, like a chicken patty, but it is fried. Again, the lettuce is superb compared to the American one. For those who might not know, teriyaki sauce is like a sweet soy sauce glaze, almost. I'm sure it's popular in the United States as well, like the teriyaki bowls that they might have, and teriyaki chicken, of course. But Japan's McDonald's has a lot of, not a lot, but they have their popular teriyaki burgers. The fried chicken patty is nice and thick. I'm gonna easily finish all of this. I thought this was too much today, but I think it's gonna be no problem. Teriyaki filet-o, done. I'm gonna take a break from burgers real quick. I don't wanna have 3 burgers in a row. I'm gonna throw in the shaka shaka chicken, or shaka shaka chicken, in an English accent. Basically, one of their most popular menu items in Japan, but it's basically just a fried chicken. And you can choose a powder. They have 2 different flavors. They have like a spicy powder, a spicy chili powder, or the cheddar cheese one, which is the one that I'm gonna get. So shaka shaka basically is the sound in Japan that you make when you shake things. You pour in the powder and you're supposed to shake it inside the bag, and then it gives it a little cheese flavor. Alright, now that it's done, Japan is the land of convenience, so you can even tear up the package right here, so when you're about to eat it, look at that, nice and simple. Alright, so it's nice and coated. It smells kind of like Cheetos, the cheddar Cheetos. Definitely very unhealthy for you. So it definitely tastes like cheese, like cheddar chicken. Very crunchy on the outside, super juicy and soft on the inside. If you saw in our Crash Course episode 1, I got fried chicken at a convenience store. McDonald's is way better in my opinion, just because you can shake the bag and it's fun. And plus you can choose between cheddar and spicy. I think sometimes they might have like limited edition flavors. I don't know what, but I've only ever seen cheddar and spicy. So up next, I want to show you guys the teriyaki burger. This is like their popular item. Basically, the difference between this one and the teriyaki filet-o that I had earlier is that it's not fried. Inside this burger, they have mayonnaise and lettuce inside with the patty. It's fairly small. It's like the size of a regular cheeseburger. And it tastes really good. Out of the 3 burgers that I had, I think it's my least favorite. It's really good by no means, don't get me wrong, but I think the shrimp burger is my favorite. The teriyaki chicken filet-o is my second, and this one probably comes in third. But if you can eat 3 burgers in one sitting, then I would recommend getting these 3 from Japan. Their last item, well, let's still got the fries, but their last Japanese item is their edamame and sweet corn bowl. Basically, it's just a bunch of edamame and sweet corn. So I'm gonna dig into this. First, I'm gonna try just the edamame. The edamame actually not flavored, but thanks to the sweet corn, it adds a little bit of sweetness to it. Usually at like bars in Japan, edamames, they put a lot of salt over it, so it's very salty. But this one, it mixes in well with the sweet corn. Now I'm gonna try just the sweet corn by itself. Personally, in my opinion, I don't think it's anything special really. If you want a bowl of edamame and sweet corn, be my guest and try it, but I don't think it's really anything too special. I mean, it doesn't taste bad, but I would favor the burgers, even the fries, over this. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to finish the fries. And as I do that, I will go over some fun facts about McDonald's and some Japanese McDonald's facts. Alright, so little quiz. If you can tell me when McDonald's came to Japan, you get nothing. Good for you. McDonald's came to Japan in 1971, so it's actually been around for quite a while. The first one opened up in the Mitsukoshi department store in Ginza, which is a very famous department store. Another fun fact of the McDonald's is, so in Japan, I guess you can call this like a advertising technique almost. There's this concept, I guess, called Smile 0 Yen. And what that is on their menu they have, or not on their menu, but you can ask for a smile and it's for free. So I thought that's a little bit neat. And it goes to show you the Japanese culture of omotenashi, which is basically like hospitality service. So I'm down to my last couple fries. And that's it for our McDonald's episode today. Basically had 3 burgers, shrimp burger, teriyaki chicken filet-o, and the teriyaki McBurger. So I hope you guys enjoyed our episode today. If you guys liked our video, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in our next episode of our Crash Course Japan series.